Hello, namaste. How are you all? I'm fine. Hope the same from your side. Today we are going to learn one important lesson of our life. See, all of us want to be successful. Am I right? Yes. But why many of us are not able to have it? That we are going to learn today. First, let me share a short story, and with the help of the story, you will understand it better. Once there was a boy who used to do nothing. That is why no one used to respect him, no one used to pay any attention towards him because he was good for nothing. That is what the people said. He is good for nothing. So he too was very, very sad. He wanted to change himself, but he was not knowing. Since each and every one is neglecting him, not paying attention towards him, he thought what to do, whom to ask. Then he decided, go to the Swamiji who used to stay in the village and ask him. So he decided. He went to the Swamiji, a saint, very loving saint. So he went and asked the Swamiji. He told his story. He told he wants to change himself. He doesn't want to live like this. Then what he should do? Just guide me, Swamiji, he said. Swamiji very lovingly told him, you can change, my son. It is not at all difficult. I am going to give you 6 success rules. You follow these rules, you will be successful in your life. Then he agreed. He said yes. He told, I am going to follow you. Don't worry. Whatever you have told, I am going to follow it. Then Swamiji started speaking. He told, first find out what is your goal in life. What is your aim in life? And go after your aim. Determine it. And decide that you are going to do it. So first of all, find out your aim, your goal, what you want to achieve, and then determine to do it. That is the first thing. Then second success rule he told, learn to respect the time. Because time never comes back. Once you waste the time, it is gone forever. You don't have the button to get the time. So time wasted means wasted forever. So don't waste your time. It is more valuable than money. Because money, if you spend, you can earn it back. You can get it back. But time you will not get. Then third point he told, go anywhere but don't stop learning. Wherever you want, if you want to leave that place because you are not happy there, nobody is bothered about you, nobody is respecting you, leave the place, doesn't matter. But don't stop learning. Keep on learning. Throughout your life, you should be a student. Till the last moment, we should learn. And a lot is there to learn in this world. Then fourth is, never get afraid of hard work. Don't get afraid. No one in this earth has died because of the work. No. Hard work, on the contrary, it is good for health, he said. So, Work hard. Don't run away from work. That is, don't be lazy. And no work is small or big. Start any work whichever you like to do. No work is small or big. Keep on doing it. So be after work. Don't be after money. Be after work. Naturally, money, respect, name, fame, everything will follow you. So, be after work, he said. Next, he told, health is the biggest dharma in our life. Or it is the biggest gift what God has given us. So, we have to take care of our health. We can achieve all these things only if we are having good health. So, keep your health good. For that, what you should do? You should have good diet. You should have good exercise. You should be busy in life. Whatever needed for that, you have to follow it, but see that you maintain good health. This good health will give you good physical fitness, and because of this physical fitness, you will be able to achieve whatever you want. Otherwise, even if you become a good doctor, if you are not physically healthy, what you will do? You can't achieve anything. So health is very, very important. Next is positive thinking, he said. Always be positive. Think I can, I will. And if you are optimistic, you will be successful. Be optimistic, be positive, and this positive thinking, I can do, I will do, will make you successful, he said. Now the lessons which the Swamiji taught the young boy, they apply to us as well. So what we have to do? First we have to decide our goal, our aim, and we have to determine that we are going to achieve it. We should learn to value the time. We should respect the time. We should know that waste of time means it is more than waste of money, because money we can earn back, but time which we have wasted, it is wasted. We should not stop learning. We can go anywhere. If we want to come out of the comfort zone and if we want to go to a new place, go anywhere, doesn't matter. But keep on learning. And next important thing is, we should not be afraid of hard work. See, no one died on this earth because of hard work. So, work hard and remember that no work is small or big. Even from the smallest, from the ground, you can raise to the sky. So, no work is small or big. Any work of your choice, start doing it. Next, biggest thing all of us we should follow is, health is wealth. So, if we are having good health, we can achieve all these things. So, we have to take care of our health. That is very, very important. Positive thinking, which will change our mindset and our world. That is positive thinking. Always have self-belief, because positive thinking gives you self-belief. And if you are optimistic, you will be successful in life. Remember it. That is why whatever Swamiji told this young boy, these 6 success rules apply to us as well. Let us follow these success rules. Have a nice day.